It's Wednesday, April 8th. In the headlines, Jamaica Teachers Association wants the government to redirect funding for new STEAM schools. The Agriculture Ministry says no egg imports on the duty waiver as local production recovers. In business news, Statin reports significant exodus of workers in 5 key industries. Regionally, the Caribbean Public Health Agency urges stronger disease surveillance. And in sports, Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange calls on sporting bodies to boost athlete insurance coverage. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.